welcome back. Musta kayong lahat?
Hi everybody.
It's our last day, so uwi na kami today. And may ano pa din ako, kanang headache pa kunti. Pero nakatulog naman ako ng kunti din, so siguro sa pagod to, sa stress, sa init, sa lahat ba, nagsagod-sagod na. Because I still have a little bit of pain.
Still a bit of headache.
Yeah. And,
You really struggled the last couple of days.
yeah, because you give me too much headache, I think.
Oh, it's because of me.
Mukhang joke good. Anyway, so heading back home, but first we have a stop to Germany and then we continue.
Yeah, we'll have a hotel in Germany,
Yeah.
in the south of Germany, and then the next day we will continue onwards to the Netherlands.
Yeah. And packing our stuff.
It's about, I think it's about 1,400 kilometers
Only now?
all in all, so you can't really do that in one day.
Yeah, and we only have one driver. And she is a lady driver.
Yeah, right. Okay,
Yeah.
let's close the suitcase.
So, along the way, ipakita ko ang view sa inyo. Maganda ding view, no, along the way. Pero, ang mas gusto ko talaga nung hindi ako magsawa sa view, na gusto kong balik-balikan na country is Austria, tapos Switzerland. Yan talaga ang pinaka gusto kong balik-balikan na country na makita mo ba. Kasi along the way, sa road na mag-travel ka, very nice mountain view and all the natures, tapos makita mo yung mga baka, tapos basta ang ganda ba, very relaxing sa mata kasi most of the time makita mo lang siya ba sa picture or photograph mo pop up sa ano, basta my own opinion because iba-iba naman tayo na gusto mo ano, pero for me talaga Switzerland and Austria are the best country to visit with the view, mountains and nature, green and very
And clean.
awesome.
These countries are very clean.
Amazing talaga, Char. Anyway,
So today we will indeed travel through Switzerland.
Yeah.
I don't think we will reach Austria, but we will at least travel through Switzerland. And then from Switzerland into, I don't know, Germany or France. I suppose Germany because we have a stop in Germany.
yeah.
We'll stay for the night. So we might not go to France. Okay. Close
so
the bag.
yun.
Where is it? Here.
Dat was precies. Nee, dat was het. Maar ook wel dat we niet goed waren. Nou, dat is...
Nagka-break time lang namin ng mga 35 minutes. Tapos continue na naman kami. Tapos break time na naman kasi hindi din pwede magkano yung driver na walang pahinga. Pagmunta ka din kung patuloy yung pag-drive. So we are now in Switzerland. As you can see, ang ganda ng pag-view. Nah, dit is mooi.
Look at the view. Switzerland. Look at the beauty of Switzerland. Ganda ng bundok, may snow pa. Nandito pa kami sa Switzerland. Nadaanan namin ba? Grabe. Ma-amaze ka. Pero katakot din doon. Tingnan nyo sa baba, katakot din. Ayan ang baba, katakot. Kasi nandito kami sa ang taas. So, nag-stop kami dito kasi grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Switzerland. Kaya hindi ako magsawang pabalik-balik pag mag-travel sa Switzerland. Oh. Nandito kami sa kay taas. Tingnan na, may restaurant din pala dyan. Crystal Growth Cretal. Tapos pwede kang bumaba doon, no? Nga very, yun? Ay, Diyos ko, katakot din, eh. Scary, no? So, nag-stop kami dito. Pero, hindi kami nag-stay dito sa Switzerland. Nag-stop lang ng mga 15 minutes para sa picture. I went there already before you.
Yeah, oh.
Because I went to looking for a toilet. So, I know. Tara, let's go. Tingnan nyo, grabe ganda. Ang ice, grabe. Nag-snow pa dito.
Allemaal stof. Stof uit de woestijn.
Ja.
Sahara stof.
Ik kom nemen op een vrachtwagen. Ik krijg weer op een vrachtwagen.
No, you can still see it here.
Yeah, and even put a windmill here.
Scary. Maganda tingnan ba ang view, pero nakakatakot kasi nakaka buntod. Tapos pababa.
Ja, die bent helemaal weg.
It's a little bit dark now, Bob.
Ja.
Really need to hold your breath. Kanina doon kami sa grabe. Ngayon nandito na sa baba. It's okay. Check ko doon. Yeah, restaurant. Oh mooi. Yeah. But maybe no one lived there. It's nice.
Als het net zo snel is, het gaat wel over 64.
Ja.
Nou, ze maken ook zo snel van links de rotonde op. Maar als jij even een beetje eerder geweest was, dus oh ja, doei. Dat fietsje was te klein voor die meneer. Dan kan de knieën niet strekken. Heel vruchtbaar gras, koeien. Dat is heel koeien. Kijk, zelfs waar komen.
Oh yeah, yeah. Right away.
Zurich. Tapos ang dami ditong maliit na waterfalls. Okay, ganda. Ano lang dito, hindi ka makapag ano nang mabilis kay very hilly. Tapos the auto is kaput. See, nakita niyo po. That is for the train there, right? Colorful na bahay. So, nandito na kami sa baba, kaya na nandoon sa taas. Now, one I know we live in Zurich.
Yeah.
Lake dyan, ang ganda ng lake.
Hier op de voorgrond. Daar heb je relatief.
So, break time na naman namin, no, dito. So, dyan kami
Ik kan het niet anders maken.
break
maat.
time. So, na-break time kami dito. Dami rin pagkain na. Tapos, mayroon din mag-isa. Tingin tayo sa supermarket nila. Diyan, may Burger King. Tapos doon, may canteen pa. Dami lang pagkain. Pero hindi kami magkain sa kita. May pagkain sa hotel. Tingin lang. Wow, pumpkin cake! Oh, ang sarap niyan. Oh, dami kijk apricot tart. Er zijn zoveel apricot.
Ja.
Zo lekker. En deze. And Dignit, what is it? And this one also, oh my god. And this one with Phil Arbay.
Ja.
Holy shit, Cento.
Goed uit en het is in ieder geval zit er een ding overheen, lekkere mousse.
En deze ook, oh my god.
Lekker, hoor.
Zo lekker
Dit
ook.
zijn grote stukken, hè? Dat
Ja.
is gewoon voor 2 personen.
Yeah, na kami sa bus. Yan ang bus namin. Bus, walang tao. Kaya pag may tao magalit man. Yan, malaki, very spacious. So, bye!
Aan de camper, daar ben ik 4 minuten geleden. Gewoon tegen 9 en hebben die maar naar de rijden. Nee, van zo, ja.
So, we are now in France. Kaano lang namin, daanan lang namin yung border ng Switzerland. So, we are now in France. Tulog, tapos continue bukas. So, as you can see, ano na, flat.